All right, so this course I'm going to be talking about is called Fundamentals of Computer Networks, and the course involves internet protocol layers, internet architecture, link layer, and multiple access protocols, local access networks including wireless LANs, routing, and internet, intra and inter domain routing, mobile routing, transport layers, overlay and P2P networks, content distribution networks. So that's basically all they had. I'm not too sure on more information about that. With that being said, I will just go to what we call again Wikipedia, and basically it says a computer network is a group of computers that use a set of common communication protocols over digital interconnections for the purpose of sharing resources located on or provided by the network nodes. The interconnections between nodes are formed from a broad spectrum of telecommunication network technologies based on physically wired optical and wireless radio frequency methods that may be arranged in a variety of network topologies. So the nodes of a computer network may be classified by many means as a personal computers, servers, networking hardware, or general purpose hosts. They are identified by host names and network addresses. Host names serve as memorable labels for the nodes, rarely change after initial assignment. Network addresses serve for locating and identifying the nodes by communication protocols such as the Internet Protocol. So a lot of things are going on in this. It's basically underneath the umbrella of network science. It talks about graphs, complex networks, contagion, small worlds, scale free, community structure, percolation, evolution, controllability, graph drawing, so this is a really big subject that's basically in here. And the idea is just to get basically a better understanding on the different things that's going on. I don't think we're going to be speaking too much on everything, it's like only a 16-week course. So it would be best to latch on the things that I actually would want to work on. So working with computer science, that's going to be managing technology that's going to be used on the internet. All the things that are going to be given in here, internet protocol, internet architecture, link layer, is really important. Maybe I would spend time understanding all of the protocols that are available for local area networks and routing and internet. Maybe understanding how my router works. Maybe learning how to manage the information, behind my router. Maybe being able to learn how to get, several devices that communicate with each other outside of the internet, and stuff like that will be great ways to get my mind to understand this information without having to sit down with just a textbook and try to get the information from the textbook to my mind. See, I always believe that applying the knowledge that you're doing, applying the things you're trying to learn to some real world stuff really helps you to learn things. For example, like I'm able to use my computer much more effectively because I paid attention to some of the tips on using your terminal and being able to run things from your terminal rather than running it from your graphic or your user interface. So that's just an example. But one of the things I want to do is to see if I can continue to how many skills that I can learn that provides utility, so then I can put them to the test, for something that's like greater than myself. Being able to know that I'm supporting some sort of greater purpose is the idea that I'm looking to do in my I guess my life and my work is I want to make sure it's that important. So that being said, I think that's all for today. Tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and talk about the courses that are in information intelligence systems, and then after that I'll go ahead and talk about my recommendations that I have to basically get. There's also the GRE I have to take, which is a graduate record examination. Make sure I'm saying it right. I'm only looking these things up because I know it's going to be recorded. Yeah, graduate record examinations, standardized tests, and how it's going to be all handled during COVID right now. There's a lot of things that's going on, but I want to talk a little bit about that and trying to go through those things and seeing on what is available as a as what we call as a aspiring graduate student, what is possible to get done in 2020. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video.